Assalamualaikum my lovely viewers, this is Hello IT World Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you extension settings in Microsoft Edge. So for this case we will go to the Microsoft Edge that I have been pinned in my taskbar. So click here and this is the Microsoft Edge web browsing site. So here I want to add or I want to set extension. That's basically we will have something to know about what is the extension. Extension means one kind of apps that I have a small software module or add on that you can install to customize and enhance the functionality of the Microsoft Edge web browser. These extensions are designed to add new features, improve productivity and integrated additional tools directly into the browser. Here the like that ad blocking, password management, productivity tools. So let's check where it has. So if there is the settings option here, see extension. So click here. Already I have these extensions. So if I want to manage or get extension for Microsoft Edge, there have by default some extension that I want to check. See here I have lots of extension. See I will this IDM integration. So click here, this checking, and here the things add IDM integration module to Microsoft Edge. Here this extension can what kinds of things. So these things included the read and change all your data on all websites, manage your downloads, manage your apps, extension and themes, communication with cooperating native applications. So when I click the add extension here, follow there have something changed. So I will click the add. See the thing has been here where it is. The thing has, let's check, see here, and they have the cross Y. Go to this here. Now it has come. See. So the hide thing, hide. So all this space, if I click off, then go to gain. See also it has. So what have IDM? There has an error. That means hopefully the IDM software has been here. We have some error file. That's why it has been shown these things. So let's cut. Right button, click here. Remove from the this is the cut or remove or delete these things or hide. We can also hide. So when we hide behind or in screen, see the thing. So let's again, this is the show in toolbar. So when you click the show in toolbar, I have shown you before. Click here, see here. Now right button click and here the remove from the Microsoft Edge. We have removed. So here last remove, see the thing has been removed. See again that has not been here. Now again we will do the another things that have by default with the Microsoft Edge. These have been already I have done. What see here, Microsoft Editor, spelling or grammar checker. Click here. Here what have add this to Microsoft Edge. The extension can read and change all your data on all websites. Add extension. This is taking, see, this is the downloading, then adding. See, there have, so no need to do this thing with just checking. See, the thing has an cross button not here. So I will show in toolbar. See the icon, which icon, this icon that has been, and here we have add or download. That's why it had removed. If we haven't, that it has been show the get. See spelling. So here also we can, this option has been work when we sign up the sign in or sign up the things. And then I have also the proofing. Language settings also we can language set. This has been by default on. So in this way we can add extension or working with the extension things. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.